I'm a bit smaller than him. Yes, thanks a million. So everybody has a wee leaflet on their table. So our campaign, we're a group of activists. It's a grassroots campaign. And really what we're about is trying to flip the script in terms of mental health here and get mental health professionals to stop talking about what is wrong with us and to start asking what happened to you. So it's very much a grassroots movement. And it's about people power, and it's about moving away from this idea that actually mental health comes from a chemical imbalance in our brain and getting to the reality, which is that actually mental health issues are being caused by power inequalities in society, and starting to actually talk about trauma-informed responses to mental distress. So I want to introduce you to Seán Fitzsimmons. One of the things that we have been using to kind of support ourselves and to support other people is creative writing and the power of music and creativity and poetry. And Sean's going to perform one of his poems for us tonight.
Thank you. Well done, Megs. Just want to say how amazing all the acts have been up to now. I'm in the last half an hour or so, and just want to say that was amazing to see the young people up here performing. But here it goes. As I sit in silence, I contemplate political violence that I've witnessed. The north of Ireland is definitely top of the hit list for a political lobotomy of its anatomy. It's sad to see these cheerleaders, fear leaders, soul leaders lead the people astray. Whatever happened to building better days, changing old patterns and creating new ways? Not much has changed in my view. This may not be true for you, but we still got the walls, from the Shankill to the Falls, and all the other walls. It's like living in a maze. On the upside, there is a tourist craze. Stars will shine and curious minds will find a way. Stars will shine and curious minds will find a way. Wow, you give us the big balls. Victoria Square's far from fair. That only suits the minority with the majority of the land and the money. It's not fun or even funny. There may be less bombs and less guns, but I see proof that we're losing our youth faster now than ever before. Faster now than when there was war. Drugs and suicide are ripping families and communities apart. How do we heal? Where do we start? I would say invest in the people, invest in the arts. It's the quickest way to heal a heart. Invest in the skill of cooperation. I guess that's how you build a healthy nation. Stars will shine and curious minds will find a way. Stars will shine and curious minds will find a way. We, the people, need a non-violent revolution to find solutions to this political pollution. These institutions are rotten to the core, from post-traumatic stress, from war. It's heartbreaking, soul-shaking when I hear of another young soul taken, his or her own life, with the dope, the rope, or the knife. These things could be avoided if people weren't being exploited by a broken system that's not listening. Some in power may see these things as trivial, but cooperation's needed for human survival. Stars glisten in the night. Stars stand up and fight. Stars will shine and curious minds will find a way. Thank you.